morning, boys and girls, and happy Silly Dr. Seuss Celebration Day. Today we're celebrating the birthday of one of our favorite author illustrators, Dr. Seuss. He's written some of our favorite books like Hop 'em Pop, Green Eggs and Ham, so many books that we love. And we thought that it might be fun to make a Truffula tree bookmark. We love to read, and sometimes we have to stop while we're reading, and we need a bookmark. So today we're going to take some things that I hope you have around your home, things like popsicle sticks, good old glue sticks, a black marker, and a cupcake liner. And we're going to create a Truffula tree bookmark. The very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make zigzags on my popsicle stick to look like the trunk of our tree. There we go, just good old zigzag lines. And then we want to take our cupcake liner, and because you know those Truffula trees are kind of funny look, we're going to take one of our cupcake liners, and because those Truffula trees are very kind of unusual, we're going to take our scissors and we're just going to cut just a straight line all around. And you can go ahead and take it and glue it like this on your tree stalk. So I'm going to glue it with my glue stick, and then I'm going to place it on top of my tree trunk. And then you can add a smaller cupcake liner. Again, you just cut little snips, and cutting is such a good fine motor skill for all of us. And I'm going to glue it, little dab of glue, and put it in the center there. Press really, really hard, and I have my Truffula tree bookmark that I can put inside my book when I need to stop reading one of my fun Dr. Seuss books. Have a great day and enjoy your Silly Dr. Seuss celebration.